Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Andy with Crypto Traders News, and today I want to give you a current crypto market update. Today is Thursday, March 8th, so let's head on over to the market and see what's going on today. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is currently what the market's doing. The market cap is under 400 billion, and Bitcoin is below 9,500. So we should probably start seeing a dip in price, more than likely below 9,000 within the next day or a few days. It's hard to say where we're going to stop with Bitcoin. For those of you that are shorting the market, you're doing pretty well. For anybody else that's long, it's looking really ugly, and it's going to continue to be ugly until we can find some support. A lot of this reason is based off of the fear and uncertainty and doubt, the FUD that's been happening over the last few days in the market in regards to the SEC and their regulations, which don't seem to be very well as the FUD which happened with Binance that we'll talk about here in this video. So as you can see, the top five remain the same: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. And so far we've heard from the CEO of Coinbase this week, I believe twice now, that Ripple is still not being selected for Coinbase. For those of you that are still wondering that, just go ahead and forget about it. As of right now, they have no plans to add Ripple to Coinbase. So Ripple, number 3, number 4, Bitcoin Cash, and 5, Litecoin. You know, wrapping up the top 20, not much of a surprise here with a few of them. You know, Ethereum Classic is still, the top 20, as well as Monero. Monero's actually bumped up to the top 10 as well. Typically when the market crashes, kind of like it is right now, Monero and other privacy coins tend to do pretty well. So Neo is getting killed. It was at $140 just a few days ago. So, it's down significant, 7% on the day, but quite a bit more over the last few days. All right, so let's go ahead and look at some of the news that's been happening over the last couple days. Binance had this crazy hack, or this crazy irregular trades that happened yesterday, and it caused a lot of FUD in the market. It actually caused Bitcoin to drop significantly. Apparently, people that were using third-party bots or third-party API keys or something along those lines basically got hacked, and the hackers accumulated VIA coin in advance and then sold everybody's altcoins, or a lot of people's altcoins, or bought BTC with their USDT, basically messed up the entire exchange for the majority of users and bought VIA. So they pumped VIA. If you look at the chart on VIA, it's pretty ridiculous. You can't even pull it up. This is the daily, and you just see the spike all the way from 2,600 Satoshi all the way up to 250,000 Satoshi in the course of, I think it was like 15 minutes. So you can't even pull the chart up because it's just jacked up. So Binance tweeted supposedly that they've reversed all irregular trades. CZ, which is Changping Zhou, he is the CEO of Binance. He said that the trades have been reversed and all deposits trading with withdrawals are resumed. I know some people in our community were having a hard time getting any coins or any of their cryptos off of Binance, but according to the CEO here, CZ, it's been solved. The problem's been solved. So it's quite an interesting event. I'm not 100% sure if everyone has got their money back, so to speak, or their trades reversed. Honestly, I think there would be a lot of work to go through and do that so fast, but we'll see what happens with that. As far as me, I'm going to stay away from Binance, and most of the people I know as well are staying away from Binance. So more FUD in the market. We can see here in this news article for CNBC that Bitcoin tanked under 10,000 after the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, has said that crypto exchanges must register with the agency. So, there's a lot of attacks, so to speak, on the crypto market right now. There's various, YouTube and Twitter and all these other social media platforms are starting to crack down on ICOs and other types of crypto-related social media platforms and social media channels, social media personas, people. And so it's really starting to affect the market. As you can see here, this chart on Coinbase, we've dropped below 10,000 yesterday, and now actually from the looks of it, we're about to drop below 9,000. So we broke support here at 9,400, and guys, it looks like we're coming down some more. So, I would like to be optimistic about the market right now, but there's just a lot of FUD, that's going on right now, and it seems like, Seems like the verdict is in. We're losing value in Bitcoin as we speak. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of new money coming into the market, and there's a lot of frustrated traders over the last 3 months. So we'll see what happens as we move forward. In other news, here's how much it costs to mine a single Bitcoin in your country. So depending on your kilowatt cost per hour and your energy costs, it's going to cost various amounts of money. So we can see here the cost to mine 1 Bitcoin in places like, Argentina is $4,500. In American Samoa, it's $10,000. Somewhere like Saudi Arabia is $3,100. But, the Solomon Islands is like 16 grand. So if we look at China, which is one of the, larger Bitcoin mining countries, it's about $3,000 to mine 1 Bitcoin. So not saying we're going to get that low, guys, but, if it's not profitable for the miners to mine Bitcoin anymore, then we're going to have a problem with that. So it's gonna be interesting to see how far down we go and when this market's going to truly recover. So lastly, guys, if you haven't done so already, head on over to Crypto Traders Facebook group. We're Crypto Traders on Facebook. You can enter, search for us here, and you're going to see this logo. Go ahead and join us. We've got, over 45,000 members in our Facebook group, almost 46,000. We've got a lot of people that are waiting to join the group, but we monitor this group very well to make sure no scam posts get in and people get in that aren't actually involved in crypto, or they just want to spam and post stuff. We've got a lot of stuff going on here in the group. We've got daily discussions and engagement from our Crypto Traders news page as well. And we're giving great information, guys, reliable resources for you to profit even on a down market like we're currently seeing. So there's a lot of good discussion and good things going on here in Crypto Traders News. You can see this is our discussion on the Binance hack yesterday. We've also posted an exciting announcement from Coinbase that says they're launching an index fund sometime in the near future. So that's great news for new investors that don't want to trade themselves. They can invest into an index fund through Coinbase. All right, guys, last but not least, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. We've done a great job of putting together great content here on the YouTube channel, and we'd love you guys to get updates on when we release new information and new videos. All right, guys, so that wraps up for me here at Crypto Traders News. We look forward to seeing you guys around our community and look forward to the questions and comments that you have on this video. So until next time, guys, once again, Andy here with Crypto Traders News, and I'll see you on the move. Dance with my dogs in the night.